The life cycle of a sunflower vocabulary. 1. Jump. Meaning, to push yourself off the ground with your feet. Sentence, I can jump high in the air. 2. Walk. Meaning, to move by taking steps with your feet. Sentence, we walk to school every day. 3. Take. Meaning, to pick up or get something. Sentence, I take a book from the shelf. 4. She. Meaning, a word used for a girl or woman. Sentence, she likes to play with her doll. 5. What? Meaning, a word used to ask a question. Sentence, what is your favorite color? 6. Buds. Meaning, small parts of a plant that will grow into flowers or leaves. Sentence, the tree has buds in spring. 7. Soil. Meaning, the dirt or earth where plants grow. Sentence, we plant seeds in the soil. 8. Stems. Meaning, the parts of a plant that hold it up and carry water. Sentence, the flower has a long green stem. 9. Leaves. Meaning, the flat, green parts of a plant that grow on stems. Sentence, the leaves on the tree are bright green.